institution, university body nominees, state association representatives, schools and college principals emphasize the importance of educating the next generation about our unsung heroes and their sacrifices. They stress the significance of teaching young minds about our unity in diversity and the strength it brings, encouraging gratitude towards those who fought for our freedom and equality, especially as we celebrate Independence Day. India's journey to freedom was a path filled with immense sacrifice, courage, and unity. From the first war of independence against the British to the Quit India movement, our freedom fighters faced numerous challenges to secure our independence. The Honorable Governor and Lady Governor are wishing the esteemed guests, who are the representatives from the civil society, central government officials, and the heads of various central government officers, who too honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters as we celebrate this day of freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand free because of the countless brave souls who fought.
எடுத்துருக்கேன் அது வரும்போது எங்கிட்ட நம்மளை பார்க்க சொல்லுங்க அப்படியே லைட் எங்களை பார்த்துருங்க
Traversing the many created differences, we always believe that we are all one, and that has proved during many times as we stood together to save and protect our Mother Earth and our nation. And we have all come here today to reaffirm the fact that yes, we will be together, we will fight together, we will serve together, we will strike penultimate level, that is, and make India, Bharat, the Vishwa Guru.
கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி வாங்க கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி வாங்க அங்கிருந்து வாங்க பக்கத்துல வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Freedom fighters, because of whom we are breathing this beautiful air of freedom, they are also present here amongst us. Blessed moment.
இங்கே